Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Kellen and Chris back with another math video. You know the vibe. Let's get this thing done, baby. Hey.
Alright, our problem here is x2 plus 10x minus 7 equals 0. We're completing the square today. So step 1, you want to take half of the middle number, so that would be plus 10x. You want to divide it by 2. You should square it and then add it to the both sides, and then, yeah, 10 divided by 2, that equals 5. You want to square it, it gets 25. So then you add 25 to the right. Step 2, you want to add 7 to both sides. So that cancels out from the negative 7. It goes over here to plus 7, and then you just add these because they're both the same. They don't have like x's and stuff. So then you get x2 plus 10x plus 25 equals 32. The next step is you want to put it in factored form. So you get x2 plus 10x plus 25 equals 32. And yeah, you take half of 10, and then basically you get 2 of these into factored form. That equals 32. You get 2 of these and you put it into x plus 5 squared, and that equals 32 in there. And then the next step is you want to square root this, and so you square root the square and then square the number on the right as well. So you have x plus 5 squared, you square that. The squared here cancels out because you're square rooting, and you're square rooting this, and then you get this, just a singular x plus 5. That equals plus or minus the square root of 32. You carry over the plus 5 to get x alone, and then you get your x equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 32. So then you get your solutions. There are 2. X equals negative 5 plus square root of 32, or you either get x equals negative 5 minus the square root of 32.
I just hit my head. Restart. So I'm gonna tell you why you guys this is useful in real life. Completing the square is useful in real life because let's say you have the standard form of the revenue and you want to find out the maximum revenue you have. In order to do that, you need to find the highest price. You need the vertex, and that's where you can use complete the square to find the vertex, which is the total revenue you want to see. So that's why it's useful in real life.
So we chose this topic mainly because so I work at Great State Burger, and I want to see how much money I make in a week, like the total amount, and yeah, basically completing the square can find the total amount of a value, and with this total amount that I get from my job in a month, I can compare it to a price of a car that I plan to get in the future. Ready like spaghetti.
So I chose it because the same reason Chris did, except for a car. I'm saving up for the new Xbox One Series X, which all my friends have right now, and I just really want to know how many weeks of working will it take till I get the total amount of money to buy the Xbox. Thank you.